The safety and efficiency of water traffic have become key focuses in the maritime industry recently. In the context of smart ships and green shipping, Orcauboat integrates cutting-edge technology with high efficiency and intelligence, specializing in autonomous driving systems and unmanned surface vehicles. Orcauboat continuously promotes the intelligent upgrade of ships through its Independent Advanced Pilot Assistant System (APAS). Orcauboat has been granted nearly 100 patents and received the first type approval for awareness and autonomous navigation systems for unmanned surface vessel from the China Classification Society (CCS). Orcauboat has launched a comprehensive intelligent unmanned solutions on the water surface, targeting various scenarios such as shipping, water recreation, and surface operations. The solution includes three major systems: APAS Insight, APAS Pilot, APAS Fleet, which fully meeting needs of different smart navigation scenarios. With self-developed advanced autonomous navigation controller and environmental perception sensors, the APAS Insight enabling a range of advanced features for vessels, including perception enhancement, 360-degree surround view, collision warning, and providing other semi-automatic functions in night and other conditions, which significantly reducing the risk of human operation errors and improving the navigation safety. The APAS Pilot has realized an easier and more convenient driving. Advanced functions such as autonomous piloting, collision avoidance, autonomous docking and undocking, and dynamic positioning have achieved a fully autonomous process. Users can easily control vehicles without professional training, making piloting smarter, safer, and more comfortable. The APAS Fleet supports remote control, fully autonomous navigation, and coordinated formation modes. In fully autonomous navigation mode, it includes autonomous navigation, collision avoidance, autonomous docking and undocking, dynamic positioning. This system can be applied in fields such as hydraulic monitoring, marine surveys, and specific applications, greatly enhancing the operational efficiency of unmanned vessels. With the support of experts such as academician Yao Qizhi from Tsinghua University and Professor Li Zexiang, APAS will continuously advance in technical breakthroughs and market expansion, leading the future of unmanned surface vehicle technology. We always and firmly believe that better self-driving, better water bodies.